channel, Mom and a Girl with Plans, and I am gonna share some of the seasonal sticker books that are coming in the fall launch from the Happy Planner. There's also one called Seasons by Alex House, and I'm doing that one in a separate video with the planner, so you can check that one out. But these are the standalone holiday books, and let me show you inside. First, let's start off with seasonal fall. So this one kind of is all things fall and warm and cozy. So let's check it out. This one also has different colors. I mean, I know we've seen fall colors like these, and it's really pretty copper foil with the leaves, but there's a lot like of navy and the greens and this like really bright pumpkin orange that I feel like we haven't seen as much of. So we've got sweater weather, and it's got the beautiful kind of calligraphy style writing. And then we've got weekend plans and some leaves. So it's like a brighter fall. It's different, and I really like this green and navy. Let's see, and the bright yellow. Like it's a really bright versus muted. I think a lot of times in fall we see a lot of muted colors, and these are just really vibrant. So we've got them with the leaves. I love the circles. And we've got some copper letters. We've got, let's see. So we've got our copper letters. Why can't I turn the page? Okay. Falling for fall. Read a book. That's, oh, those are so cute. I like the scarf and the little T and the leaves. I mean, you always love leaves. Oh, so are these are hedgehogs, right? They're so cute. And a little turkey for Thanksgiving and sweater and boots. And then we've got some Halloween in here. Oh, I love these little like diamond sparkles and the little ghosts. Ooh, and here we have them with the silver foil. That's pretty. I like these washi strips. Boo, spooky. This reminds me of candy corn. The orange and yellow and white. Ooh, and then we've got some copper sparkles. Oh, look at that, Happy Halloween. We've got pie and all different like fall colors. Oh, the little hedgehogs and turkeys. I like this writing. It's like really thin and I don't know, free flowing. I really like that. Yeah, see all those, so pretty. We've got our shopping list. Ooh, and our Thanksgiving menu with a little piece of pumpkin pie. I'm assuming that's what kind of pie it is. Things I'm thankful for. This would even be fun to like get people, like everybody, to write 3 things they're thankful for, and then you could put it in your planner later or your memory planner. That's so cool. Okay. Oh, I love those. So these are like corners, right? Yeah, clear corners of leaves, and then leaves are always my favorite for fall. Those are so pretty, and I like these. Oh, and then there's outlines too. Oh, that would be so pretty to mix. Oh, and then you've got also the outlines in the copper foil. That's pretty. And we've got pumpkins, hedgehogs, and pies. And like tea in a book. I'm like, oh, that was to say, where's my coffee? That's going to be my coffee right there. And then we've got our quotes in all of the same colors that match those leaves. Oh, these are probably my favorite quotes because they've got that very like bold lettering, and then the loose like handwritten. I really like that. And then we've got copper kind of calligraphy and some more of that, but with some color added in. So this is the fall sticker book. So next up, let's do Christmas. And this one has some soft, pinks and teals, but it also has all of your traditional red in it as well. This one is so fun. I just think it's like bright and fresh and modern. Like check out those cool trees. Look at the pink tree. Oh my gosh. These poinsettias are probably my favorite. Oh no, wait, I spoke too soon. I also love the holly. I just like all the icons. These are so fun. And then this is kind of your like all the things you need to do during the holidays, and also like a little winter bucket list. It's kind of all combined, like watch Christmas movies and go sledding, mail Christmas cards, Secret Santa, white elephant gifts. So I think this will keep you on track. So it's functional and pretty. I love those washi strips and those packages. I think Christmas is one of my favorites, so I'm always really drawn, oh my gosh, that one too, to all of the Christmas stickers. Love all the different mugs of cocoa. And the cute tree and all the cars with the Christmas trees. Oh, that reminds me of like a little sweater. That's fun too. Oop, holly, love it. And then we've got our pretty circle ones as well. And these have the gold foil. Our countdown to Christmas, 12 days till Christmas. Official nice list, that's so cute. And then we've got our decorative, well, our boxes, yeah. They're not decorative boxes, they're boxes what you can write in, but they've got fun icons on them. Look at those, look at the peppermint swirls. Oh, those are cute, yeah, they're individual. Oh, those are so cute. This is new, I haven't seen anything like that. Let's take a look at what, oh, it's like, so it's just got that color on the edge there. Oh, it's like offset, can you see that? See how it's offset right there? That's really neat. I like that a lot. And then some holly, some more of our to-dos. Volunteer, go ice skating, write a letter to Santa. Love all that. It's time for shopping, the lights. Oh, I just like how everything coordinates. I love these colors and the stripes. These are so good. I'm like ready. Let's just decorate for Christmas now. I'm ready. Let's do it. I'm ready. I've got this. I want to do it. I just like all the pinks and teals as well. It's just really fun. Happy holidays. Jingle and mingle. Oh my gosh, look at that one with the foil. And then we've got boxes and hexagons, checklists, fun snowflakes and more icons. Ooh, look at those with the holly on them. So pretty. I love those snowflakes. I mean, look at that. Home is the best place to be. This is true. I just want to watch Christmas movies and drink hot cocoa. Sign me up. I'm ready for it to cool down. It's like 99 degrees here. And then we've got, oh, look at these. They're like little ornaments. That's cool. So you can write down your tasks in there. And my favorite, those poinsettias. Dear Santa, define good. And then we've got those boxes, those offset boxes again. Little washi strips. And larger boxes with the dot grid. Ooh, snowflake boxes and candy canes. Oh, I love this one. This is the Christmas sticker book. And last but not least is the Halloween and the Dia de los Muertos. This one has some Halloween pages, but it also has some pages for Dia de los Muertos or Day of the Dead. If it's a holiday that you're not familiar with, you should definitely check it out and get a better understanding of what it is. It is a Mexican holiday, and the symbols and everything behind it are very beautiful, and definitely something that I'm familiar with here, living in Texas and with some of my family as well, but I think it's definitely something that we could all learn more about. So let's check it out. All right. Witch's Brew. Oh my gosh. I love the colors and fonts in this book. To me, it's just really modern and fresh. It's not your typical orange and black only. You've got these pinks and salmon, and I love these. Hey, cool, hey. I mean, come on. These are so cool. Okay, I'm terrified of snakes, but at least those are cute, right? Halloween is meowgical. Bugs and hisses. That's so funny. Oh my gosh, look at all the Halloween creepy treats. Spiders, like a donut. That's so, see, I haven't seen anything like that. And then these are like crystals with some gold hollow foil. Again, I love the colors and fonts. Oh wait, I skipped one. And then we've got some boxes, the stars. with the icons on them, and then little to-dos tomorrow, trick or treat. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. Noted, important today. I think I'm just gonna decorate my whole planner for October in Halloween because I love all of these so much. Today, noted, double cauldron and bubble. Oh my gosh, these look real vintage to me. Like the way the colors even are and the drawings, they remind me of like 1950s, like vintage look. It's so cute. And then we've got the little coffins and the spiders and spider webs. Ooh, snake venom. And this is for Day of the Dead. And these are 3 days that follow Halloween. So they're not the same. It's a completely separate holiday. So we've got all the sugar skulls. And then ofrenda and gather. This one, I'm not even sure. Cempasúchil, I think. And those are the marigolds that are part of the tradition as well. Celebrate, tamales. I just think these are so beautiful. And they have a rich meaning. And so I think they're just so pretty. Calaveras, Pan de Muerto, Day of the Dead, All Saints Day, and All Souls Day. And then we've got Halloween with all of the spooky little treats, the haunted house, and the little ghosties and bats. More haunted houses, spooky. Oh my gosh, October 31st, Halloween party, super spooky. I like the design of these with the circle and the words on the side like that. So cute. And I love these fonts. So pretty, those letters. Halloween is magical, and some fun foil stickers. The countdown for Halloween. I know some people, it's their favorite holiday. Christmas is mine, but this is just super cute. Fabulo, school game. Boo Our Friends, if you do that tradition where you like leave something on the door for a neighbor or a friend, that's always fun, and then they pass it on. Decorate for Halloween, make a Halloween craft. So all kind of like little functional. And then, oh, this is so pretty, Dia de los Muertos. I like this shape of sticker as well. And then, let's see. We've got some monthly boxes with a little notch. I actually like to use these a lot of times just in my weekly, and I usually put a sticker right over that notch sometimes. And then we've got some functional as well. And, just some cute, like, hello, pumpkin. And then, like, little washi strips with the snakes and the bats and the stars and the orange and salmon color. And then we've got some more boxes. These are all Halloween boxes with our little treats and all of our spooky little details. So that is the Halloween and the Dia de los Muertos. Halloween is on the 31st, and Dia de los Muertos is following, so the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. And then the seasonal fall. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And I would love it if you'd hit that like, subscribe, and reminder bell. And I will also link these as well as put the discount codes below. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful week ahead.